Golfers know the value of a reliable pushcart. The Bag Boy Slimfold pushcart promises convenience and durability for every golfer. In this review, we will explore what makes the Bag Boy Slimfold pushcart a popular choice among golfers. From its sleek design to its practical features, we'll cover everything you need to know. Whether you're a seasoned golfer or a beginner, understanding the benefits of this pushcart can enhance your game. Bag Boy Slimfold pushcart. The Bag Boy Slimfold pushcart is perfect for golfers seeking convenience and ease. Its compact design allows for simple storage and transport. Lightweight yet sturdy, this cart is ideal for any golfing enthusiast. This is an excellent choice for golfers. It's known for its compact design and ease of use. Let's explore its features. Build quality. Constructed with high-quality materials, this cart is durable. The sturdy frame ensures it holds up well over time. Additionally, the wheels are robust and built to last. Compactness. The Slimfold pushcart excels in compactness. Here's what makes it stand out. Small footprint. Takes up minimal space in your car or garage. Easy folding mechanism. Collapses quickly for storage. Lightweight. Simple to carry and handle. Performance on the course. Of course, this cart performs exceptionally well. Its large wheels handle different terrains with ease. Golfers will appreciate the smooth ride and effortless movement. Bag Boy Slimfold pushcart. The Bag Boy Slimfold pushcart offers an easy-to-use, compact design for golfers. Its lightweight frame and quick folding mechanism make it a convenient choice for any player. The is a popular choice among golfers. Its design and functionality make it stand out in the crowded market of golf pushcarts. Let's dive into its features and see why it has gained such a reputation. Storage and portability. Storage and portability are crucial for a golf pushcart. The Slimfold excels in these areas. The compact fold of this cart makes it easy to store in small spaces. You can fit it in your car trunk or a small closet without any hassle. Plus, its lightweight nature means you can carry it without straining your back. Bag Boy Slimfold pushcart pros and cons. Pros: durable construction built with high-quality materials for long-lasting use. Smooth ride, large wheels provide a comfortable experience on various terrains. Easy to use, simple folding mechanism and convenient features. Cons: weight. While considered lightweight, it may still be heavy for some golfers. Frequently asked questions. What is the weight of the Bag Boy Slimfold pushcart? The Bag Boy Slimfold pushcart weighs 14.9 pounds. This makes it lightweight and easy to maneuver. Its compact design adds to its portability. How compact is the Bag Boy Slimfold pushcart? The Bag Boy Slimfold pushcart folds to a compact size. It measures 23.5 inches by 13 inches by 24 inches when folded. This makes it easy to store,